Hello everyone, welcome to English Words Daily. I'm Toma, and today we are going to start an exciting journey to learn English. As you know, learning English doesn't happen overnight, and everyone starts somewhere, so it's completely normal to feel nervous or worry that people might laugh at you, but don't be afraid, because step by step, little by little, you can learn to understand and speak English, and today we will explore exactly how to do that. Hello everyone again, and welcome back to English Words Daily, because today is another chance to practice, to learn, and to grow, and remember that everyone begins somewhere, so if you feel shy or nervous about speaking English, it's completely okay, and you can move forward at your own pace, because step by step, little by little, your confidence will grow, and you will be able to communicate clearly. Once more, hello everyone, and welcome to English Words Daily, because every day is an opportunity to improve. Every small effort counts, and even if you make mistakes or feel unsure, remember that step by step, little by little, you can learn to understand and speak English, and eventually you will be able to speak in public without fear. Which is why today we will talk about how to gradually overcome fear and build confidence. The first step is to feel comfortable with yourself and understand that learning English begins in your mind. Everyone starts from where they can, and it's normal to feel nervous at first, like the day I was in a meeting and didn't speak English while everyone else was using it, and my heart was racing, but I gave myself permission to start, so I began reading books, listening to podcasts, speaking a lot, and gradually, my fear started to fade, and that's why for you, it's important to practice feeling free, not worrying about what others might think, and speaking 5 to 10 small sentences each day in front of a mirror or camera to build confidence. The second step is to practice reading, listening, and speaking every day by reading books, articles, or blogs, listening to podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks, and then repeating what you heard, and remember that making mistakes is normal and helps you learn, so start with short stories or phrases and repeat them aloud, ensuring that you understand each word, because repetition and practice help you internalize the language and gain confidence. The third step is a step-by-step approach. Don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, focus on 5 to 10 new words each day, 1 to 2 grammar rules, writing short sentences, reviewing what you have learned every day, listening to podcasts or videos, and then practicing speaking what you heard, because even starting with a few words will eventually lead to being able to talk to many people in meetings and in public. The fourth step is practicing in everyday life by looking for opportunities to speak English in meetings, clubs, classrooms, or any group of people, and even if you feel nervous at first, practicing every day will allow you to speak in public confidently, so don't be afraid, and always remember to feel free to express yourself. The fifth step is to maintain motivation and the right mindset by believing that every small step matters, remembering that learning English is a journey and not a competition, focusing on your progress rather than perfection, and trying to speak or write every day so that even if you feel nervous, little by little, fear will fade and confidence will grow. The sixth step is to practice exercises consistently by writing 5 sentences each day, reading a section of a book or article, speaking aloud what you wrote in front of a mirror or camera, listening to a podcast or video, and repeating what you heard, while also practicing speaking 1 sentence or a few words each day in a group of people to build confidence. As you can see, learning English is not difficult. Step by step, little by little, feel confident, and enjoy your journey, because every small effort counts, and each day you practice you are moving forward. Tomorrow, we will focus on confusing English words and how to use them correctly, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and continue practicing every day so English becomes a natural part of your life.